Hi, this is Kay Lowry, and today we're going to be in Alfred Premier 1B, page 11. We're going to be talking about the piece Green Tea. Now, this piece has a really cool mood. It has a mood that reminds us of a simple time where we're sipping tea, and the dynamics help us to get to the mood. But one other thing that helps us get to the mood is workout 2. So if you look at workout 2, it's these 4 measures up here. And this is important to practice before you start the lesson. So notice your left hand. Looks easy, right? There is a fifth in the left hand, and you are going to hold it for 2 measures. The thing that can be tricky is you're going to be holding it while your right hand is playing notes. So when your right hand goes down, don't let your left hand come up, because we need to be listening and making sure that left hand keeps holding. Now you have a new note in this piece. It is an A, and you'll notice middle C here, and you'll notice treble G here, and on the staff, treble G is the second line. We know that's one of our landmark notes. And A is the step right above it. And you can see it on the keyboard. Now, what's interesting is that we are going to be putting finger 5 of our right hand on A. And that is weird, because our brain is used to that finger being on G. So I'm going to play workout 2 for you, and then I want you to pause the video and practice it. So here's a look at my piano, and here is my finger 5 on A, and here's my finger 1 on C and 5 on F. And what we're going to do is start with this hand and count 2 beats before our right hand comes in. Here we go. Half rest. Half rest. Pause the video and you play workout 2 3 times. Now, take your pencil and look at workout 2 again, and look at those measures. You're going to find those measures in this piece. So I'm not going to give you the answer, but can you find where they are in this piece and circle the whole thing? Pause the video and circle where you can find workout 2. All right, you're almost ready to play, but you do need to go through your practice steps. So the first thing I want you to do is pause the video, and I want you to clap and say the rhythm of the melody. So when you see single notes and you see words, that's going to be the melody or the tune. And so you're going to clap that. When you get here, you're just going to clap and say these notes that have the melody with them. Pause the video and clap and say your rhythm. Now it's time to take a look at where our fingers go. So take your pencil, and we've already talked about the new note, A. So draw an A in the box. It's very important. And then I like to circle that this note is finger 3, and underneath it I put an F. All right, so pause the video and make sure you have those 2 notes labeled. All right, now you can go through your practice steps, and if you have forgotten where your practice steps are, they are on page 5, and they're right here where it says practice journal, and every piece piece in this book. You should go through and do those. So what you could do is you could copy this page and have it next to your book, or you can rewrite it on another page. And that way you'll always know the practice steps. We have done practice step 1 and 2. And what we need to do is now we need to look at the dynamics. So pause the video and look at GreenTea and circle the dynamics. That's the louds and softs. Now it's time to play or sing the note names, and this is very important. We've got to make sure that we know, especially those new notes. So I am going to play it and sing that for you, and you can watch, and then you can go back and play along, or you can pause the video and do it yourself. And remember, we're going to be doing the melody. All right, here we go. 1, 2, here I go. A, F, D, D, C, A, C, D, F, G, A, G, A, F, D, D, C, F, D, C, C, A, G, F. Rest. It's hard to be singing 2 notes at once. So when I get to there, I just remember to play it. And if I don't know the names, I can just write in the names of the notes. Pause the video and you practice the note names. Now by now I've played it for you singing the note names, and you should have a good idea of how it goes. So you can go on to the next practice step, which is pausing and playing it and counting out loud while you play. It's a very important step. Don't forget to say it out loud. Pause, play, and say the rhythm. All right, you're just about done, and so all you need to do now is to play and sing the words, and then make sure you share a video or play it for me, and I look forward to seeing you next time.